Hey you guys, it is me, Laura, from scrapsoфencouragement.com, and I am here to show you a little super easy, super quick card that you can make. This is kind of a mini tutorial. We've been challenged as Stampin' Up demonstrators to go back to simple stamping and to do some cards that you can create in 1 minute or less with very few supplies. And this is a really great place to start if you're new to card making, if you're new to stamping, if you feel overwhelmed, you see these cards and you want to do them but you don't want to start there, or maybe you want to make a bunch of cards really fast. So this is the challenge is that we only use stamps, paper, and ink, and I've made myself an extra challenge of using 3 or fewer ink pads and only 1 stamp set. So today for this card, I'm using the Little Elephant stamp set. I love the stamp set. It has so many sentiments, so you can do the same basic card style with slightly different elements for so many different occasions. So I'm using the Little Elephant stamp set. I will have a Whisper White card base, and I am using today Pacific Point and Real Red inks, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And if you want to time me, go for it. You're going to see that this card is going to take less than a minute, and I am not even going to rush. So I am going to show you. I'm going to start with this banner piece here, and I'm going to make sure it's inked up really well. And when you're stamping with a solid stamp like this, you want to stamp straight down, press it, give it time to soak into your paper so that you don't have any smudges or marks. There we go. And then we're going to take our little elephant, and I'm going to stamp him right here. And then we're going to take this guy again, ink him up really well, and I am going to stamp him on the bottom of my card. Then I am going to use my Real Red ink to ink up my balloons for this celebration that we are having. Maybe this could be a school accomplishment, a work accomplishment, maybe someone has got a new house or paid off debt, or maybe it's an anniversary of some kind or a birthday. I have this sentiment that says celebrate your big day, so this could go for just about any occasion. I am going to stamp it right off to the side. And there we go. There is a very simple card that you can make in under a minute with just a few supplies. I would love to see cards that you make using only paper, ink, and stamps. And I'd like to see you hashtag them simple stamping so that I can see what you're making as well. And I hope that you like this, and if you want to see more simple cards from me, let me know, and I'm happy to share more with you, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. Talk to you later. Bye.